This is Nitish Kumar Vatsyayan, and today I will tell you a CSR corporate social responsibility activity for school students on the topic of AI. Artificial intelligence can be an excellent way to introduce young minds to this transformative technology while fostering curiosity and critical thinking. Here's a suggested outline for such an activity. Along with modules for both students and trainers, CSR activity outline title Exploring AI Shaping Future Innovators aim to introduce school students to the concept of artificial intelligence, its applications, and ethical considerations, fostering interest and understanding in this field. Target audience: school students, age group 12 to 16. Duration 1 to 2 days, can be adjusted based on availability. Modules for students: 1. Introduction to AI, definition and brief history of AI, examples of AI applications in everyday life, example, virtual assistants, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles. 2. How AI works, basic principles of machine learning and neural networks, interactive demonstrations of simple AI algorithms, E.G. image recognition. 3. Ethical considerations, discussion on the ethical implications of AI, E.G. privacy concerns, bias in algorithms, case studies highlighting real-world ethical dilemmas related to AI. 4. Hands-on activities, mini projects or workshops where students can experiment with AI tools, E.G. creating a simple chatbot, training a basic machine learning model. 5. Future of AI, exploring potential career paths in AI and related fields, discussion on the role of AI in addressing global challenges. 6. Reflection and feedback, encouraging students to share their thoughts and insights gained from the activities, collecting feedback to improve future sessions. Modules for trainers: 1. Training material development, creating engaging presentations, interactive demos, and hands-on activities aligned with the curriculum. 2. Facilitation skills, techniques for effectively engaging with students of varying backgrounds and learning styles, managing group dynamics and encouraging participation. 3. Technical proficiency, ensuring trainers have a solid understanding of AI concepts and tools, providing resources for trainers to stay updated on the latest advancements in AI. 4. Ethical guidance, training on facilitating discussions around ethical considerations in AI in a sensitive and inclusive manner, providing resources for further exploration of ethical guidelines and frameworks in AI. 5. Evaluation and feedback, developing assessment tools to measure the effectiveness of the training program, collecting feedback from both students and trainers to continuously improve the program. 6. Community engagement, identifying opportunities for collaboration with local schools and educational institutions to expand the reach of the CSR activity. Conclusion: by implementing this CSR activity, students will not only gain valuable insights into the world of AI but also develop critical thinking skills and a sense of social responsibility regarding the ethical implications of technology. Trainers equipped with comprehensive modules and support will play a crucial role in facilitating an engaging and impactful learning experience for the students.